don't invest your whole life on things of this world. Because this world as we know it, it is passing away. Now, what does that mean? That means that now, mokukhulunywa ngezwe eBhayibhelini, number 1, kukhulunywa ngomhlaba. Number 2, kukhulunywa ngabantu. Number 3, kukhulunywa ngesono. So those are the context of izwe. So what is Paul saying here is that be careful, because once you invest too much number 1, also where your treasure is. Angithi? So if ingcebo yami ila kulelizwe, I won't want to leave this world. You remember ke kwaba khona izinto whereby kube khona ama-room ukuthi uJesu uyabuya. Kwafika ngeke ngibasho amagama niyabazi. Bathi kusele 1 minute. Angithi niyabazi? Now, listen. How do you know whether you are ready to go or not? If uthi nje Nkosi nangu ndodazi uthola umsebenzi nemali engcono, Nkosi ungaqala ubuye. There's something wrong with your salvation. Because angakaholi, angakathenga imoto, angakathenga umuzi, angaka enjoy, kanti enjoyment yakhe kuphi? Ningilalela ngithi uze umuntu ethi uJesu angaqala abuye Nkosi yami, umuntu engaka, your salvation is questionable. Ngoba efanele sithi Maranatha. Kule season akusona isikhathi sokudlala ucapacayana. Isikhathi sokuthi Nkosi, come now, we are ready. Listen, ngisho ngathiwa we millionaire kwi season ekanje, ipain yakho is to see how cruel world is. You don't measure it ngawe, you measure it ngestate sezwe. Ngisho ngathiwa wena kukuhambela kahle, but umuntu uyabheka umakhelwane is dying of cancer. Lord, come back.